The James Webb Space Telescope has just made one of its most astonishing discoveries yet. For the first time, scientists have detected life's chemical building blocks in another galaxy, frozen inside the icy clouds surrounding a newborn star. This young star, called ST6, sits inside the Large Magellanic Cloud, a small companion galaxy orbiting the Milky Way about 160,000 light-years away. And when Webb aimed its mid-infrared instrument, MIRI, at it, the telescope picked up something no one expected: complex organic molecules hiding in the ice. These weren't just traces of water or carbon dioxide. Webb found methanol, ethanol, acetaldehyde, methyl formate, and even acetic acid, the same molecules that here on Earth help form amino acids, sugars, and other ingredients essential for life. Until now, astronomers had seen only one of these, methanol, in similar icy regions, and only inside our own galaxy. This is the first time ever such a rich mix of prebiotic molecules has been detected beyond the Milky Way. That's huge, because these compounds are precursors to life. They're not alive, but they're the raw materials that can lead to life under the right conditions. Finding them in another galaxy suggests that the chemistry that made life possible on Earth might be universal, happening all across the cosmos. And what's truly mind-blowing is where these molecules were found. The Large Magellanic Cloud is no calm, life-friendly environment. It's low in heavy elements, what scientists call low-metallicity, and it's constantly bombarded by harsh ultraviolet radiation from giant stars. It's the kind of place where complex molecules shouldn't survive. And yet, there they are. That tells us something extraordinary. The chemistry of life is far more resilient than we thought. It can form even in primitive, violent corners of the universe. Here's how it happens. Inside cold, dense clouds of dust, tiny particles act like miniature laboratories. Atoms stick to their icy surfaces, freezing together over thousands of years. When the baby star finally ignites, that ice warms up and releases all those molecules into space, where they can later become part of asteroids, comets, and eventually planets. JWST caught ST6 right in the middle of that process, a snapshot of the universe mixing the recipe for life before any planets even exist. It's like catching the cosmos red-handed, stirring the same chemical soup that once formed us. If it's happening here, it's probably happening everywhere. In countless galaxies, around countless stars, the same story could be unfolding, again and again. Of course, this isn't proof of alien life. These molecules are not living things, but they show that the ingredients for life are easy to make, and that nature keeps making them even in the toughest conditions. Dr. Marta Sewillo, one of the lead scientists on this discovery, said, "Before Webb, methanol was the only complex organic molecule conclusively detected in ice around protostars. Now, we're seeing far more complex chemistry, and in a much harsher environment." And that's the revelation. The building blocks of life don't just appear in safe, Earth-like conditions. They're forming everywhere. The universe allows dust and ice to meet. That means the potential for life might stretch back almost to the dawn of the universe itself. Imagine that. Long before Earth existed, galaxies were already brewing the same molecules that would one day form living worlds. The cosmos might not be lifeless. It might just be slowly waking up. Scientists now plan to observe more newborn stars in nearby galaxies to see if this pattern holds. If it does, it could mean that complex organic chemistry is a cosmic rule, not a rare exception. And that would completely reshape how we think about life's place in the universe. Because then, the question isn't, is life possible out there? It becomes, how common is it? And maybe even, how far has it already come? The James Webb Space Telescope is still in its early years, yet it's already showing us that the story of life is written in starlight. in chemistry that crosses galaxies, time, and imagination. So when you look up at the night sky, remember this: somewhere out there, in another galaxy, the same molecules that once sparked life on Earth are quietly forming again. Maybe they always have been. Maybe they always will be. If you love unraveling mysteries like this, make sure to subscribe. More cosmic discoveries are on the way.